Hello students, hope you are fine and healthy at home. Students, you know that the world today is facing a serious problem, that is corona disease. Students, you know that this corona disease COVID-19, it is a deadly infectious disease. It is communicable, means it gets transmitted from one person to another person through different sources. Students, daily we are hearing in the news that the number of cases they are increasing sharply, as well as the number of death it is also increasing day by day. Students, you can see that our country is also suffering from this pandemic disease. The cases in our country is also increasing day by day. Now students, till now there is no vaccine for this deadly virus. So one can protect one can protect himself or herself or the community from this virus by following some simple steps. Students, by following these simple steps, you can protect yourself as well as your society from this deadly infectious disease. अगर हम कुछ रूल्स को फॉलो करें तो हम खुद को और अपनी सोसाइटी को, अपने समाज को इस खतरनाक बीमारी से बचा सकते हैं. So students, some of the simple steps which I am going to discuss with you are as: first, students, regularly wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds, or you can use sanitizers. Students, by washing your hands or by applying sanitizers on your hands, the germs or the virus, it will get away from the surface or it will die. Second thing is, students, do not touch your face, your eyes, your ears, your nose unnecessarily. You don't have to touch all these parts. Why? Because while touching your face, your eyes, your ears, your nose with the hands, the virus which may be present on the surface of your hand, it can come in contact with your face, your ear, eyes, nose, and through your nose it can enter your respiratory system. And you all know, once it enters your respiratory system, it is going to infect your lungs. Students, third thing is, if in emergency you are going out of your home, you have to follow social distancing as well as you have to put face mask. Please maintain distance from other people. Other thing is, unnecessarily you don't have to go out of your house. Stay at your home, stay safe. There is no need to go outside of your house unnecessarily. If you have emergency, then only you can go outside. That also you have to follow the rules. Students, other thing is cover your mouth or your nose with handkerchief or tissue paper while you are coughing or sneezing. Why you have to do this? Because while you are sneezing or coughing, the droplets which comes in the air, it may contain virus and it can go to a healthy person and it may infect the person. Other simple thing is you have to seek medical care if you find that you are suffering from fever, if you are suffering from cough or you have breathing problem. Students, one of the important thing which I am going to discuss with you is please do not spread any kind of rumors regarding this corona disease, because our government is doing its best to protect our people from this deadly virus. So you don't have to spread any kind of rumors regarding this virus. You have to get information from the trusted sources. So by following these simple steps, you can protect yourself also, as well as you can protect your community from the deadly infectious disease. Students, unnecessarily you don't have to roam outside of your house. Please be inside your house and keep yourself protected from this deadly virus, because till now vaccine has not been developed. So you have to follow these simple rules to keep yourself away from the virus. Students, other thing which I want to discuss here is on my channel I am sending videos for different classes according to their chapter. So what you have to do is, if all of you are having books, you have to read the chapter carefully and you have to practice the diagrams in the chapter, as well as you have to attempt the back exercise of the chapter. Students, the notes which I am providing you on my channel, with the help of these notes, you can use these notes to solve the given back exercises. Students, try to practice the diagram maximum, because diagrams, they are very important part of biology, as well as you have to learn all the important terms which are given in your chapters. So students, I hope the information which I have given you, it will give you some benefit, as well as you will continuously will be in touch of your studies through YouTube channel. So at last, I would like to say that stay home, stay safe. Thank you.